Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I will guide you through how to fulfill orders on Shopify. So this is actually pretty easy. Once you receive your orders, it should be populated under the orders section on the left side of your screen. Head over to the drafts. You can see we have an order here which is currently open. So if you want to fulfill, you can see we have a couple of options. We have open and invoice sent. We have open, invoice, and this is the statuses, and we can mark it complete as well. So you can see currently it is set to completed and also fulfilled manually. So this is basically the easiest way to do it, and I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about this kind of helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials. Do subscribe to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.